Hello guys, welcome back to the FE exam review series where we solve FE problems that's going to help you guys with your FE preparation. In today's video, we're going to do a measurement section problem, specifically under part A, sensors and transducers. So let's dive in. An RTD is being calibrated in a temperature-controlled environment. The resistance of the RTD at 0 degrees Celsius is measured to be 100 ohms. Now, when the temperature is raised to 170 degrees Celsius, the resistance increases to 240 ohms, and we want to determine the temperature of coefficient of the RTD. So RTD is resistance temperature detector, and the equation for this is provided to you guys on the reference manual. So all you need to do is go to the reference handbook, grab the equation, and just make sure that you guys plug in the right variables, okay? So why don't you guys go ahead and pause this video, give it a try. It's very important that you guys attempt these problems on your own, and then you can come back to check your solution. So to solve for this problem, guys, as I mentioned earlier, the first thing we gotta do is go to the reference manual and grab the equation, okay? So here under measurement, we are giving the equation for RTD, which is just resistance temperature detector. And so this is the equation that we're gonna use, okay? Now RTD, this stands for the resistance of the RTD at a temperature which was given to us, so that would be at temperature 170 degrees Celsius. And then we have R naught, so this is the resistance of the RTD at the reference temperature, which is 0 degrees Celsius, okay? And usually the resistance at the reference temperature or at 0 degrees Celsius is usually 100 ohms, okay? And that's what we have in the problem as well. And then the coefficient, well, that's what we're trying to determine, right? So what we're gonna do is we can take this equation, we're gonna have to rearrange it to solve for alpha, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. By the way, guys, so my team currently is working on creating a PDF that's going to have all the FE problems that we have shared so far in our YouTube channel. And we're going to also put the solution and then the link to the YouTube video in case you guys need to check the full solution. So if you are interested in that PDF, go ahead and sign up here and we'll send it to you once it's ready. Now let's go ahead and rearrange this equation so that we can solve for alpha. So we're going to do RT, we're going to divide this term by R naught, okay? And this is going to be equal to 1 plus alpha times t. Now, this t naught, guys, is 0. So that term is just going to go to 0. And then the next step is we're going to do alpha t, and we're going to take this one to the other side of the equation. And if we do that, it's going to become negative, right? So we're going to do RT over R naught minus 1. And now to solve for alpha, we're going to divide both of these terms by t. Okay, by the temperature, because we're trying to just solve for alpha. Okay, so we're going to do RT over T, R naught, and then minus 1 over T. Okay, and by the way, guys, if you are enjoying our videos and you are enjoying these problems and you're looking for more FE problems that's going to help you guys pass your FE exam, make sure to check out our courses, okay? And I talk about that more at the end of the video. So if you want to learn more about our courses, make sure that you guys stay tuned until the end. Now let's go ahead and plug in the numbers into this equation. So we're going to have RT, so that's the resistance at a temperature, which is 240 ohms, okay? And then we're going to divide it by the temperature, which is 170 degrees Celsius. And then we're going to multiply it by R naught. So that's was giving as 100 ohms. So that's the resistance at the reference temperature, which is 0 degrees Celsius. So here we're going to do 100 ohms. So as you guys can see, I'm writing down the units so that at the end, we're going to make sure that all the units cancel and we get per degree Celsius, okay? And then we're going to do 1 over the temperature, which is 170 degrees Celsius. Now, let's go ahead and go over the units. So note, guys, here that the ohms here cancels, okay? And then we're going to be left with this term is going to be per degrees Celsius. Same thing with this term, per degrees Celsius. So which means we're going to get per degrees Celsius, okay? So now if you guys plug these numbers in your calculator, you're going to get about 0.0082. So now if we take a look at the multiple choice, the answer is going to be D. And so this is, guys, how we determine the temperature of coefficients, okay? So it's pretty easy, straightforward problem. So the first thing is just knowing that we have the equation for the resistance temperature detector on the reference handbook. And this is why it's very important that you guys, when you are studying for your FE exam, always use the reference handbook. Spend some time looking through it. Get familiar with the equations and the concept that are provided to you guys there, because as you're solving the problems, you're going to be like, oh, I remember seeing this on the reference handbook. I know I have the equation for this. And then you can just go and grab it. Okay, so it's very, very important. And we do this in our channel, also in our courses. We always use the reference handbook. The other thing I would also suggest is just be careful with the units. Make sure that you write them down, make sure they cancel at the end, and so that way you have the units that you want. Okay, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out immensely, and we can this way create more problems and create more videos to help you guys with your FE preparation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are looking for more FE problems, make sure to check out our courses where we cover a lot of concepts, and I walk you through every single problem on a video format, just like we do here on our YouTube channel. Also, our courses are lifetime access, and they have helped many students pass the FE exam, so make sure that you guys check it out. And then you can also check out this playlist here that has a lot of FE problems that's going to help you guys with your FE preparation. Now, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great productive week, and I will see you guys on the next video. À la prochaine.